A personal library is more than just a collection of books. It's a reflection of your identity, your passions, and your journey through life. Building one is like curating a museum of your intellectual growth and the experiences that have shaped you. But where do you start? First, think about what inspires you. Are you drawn to fiction that transports you to other worlds? Nonfiction that educates and challenges you? Or perhaps a mix of both? Identifying your interests and goals is the foundation of creating a library you'll truly love. Remember, your personal library should serve as a sanctuary, an inspiring and comforting space that you can always turn to. At The Essential Reader, we're here to help you every step of the way. If you're excited to build a library that feels personal and meaningful, make sure to subscribe and like this video. This is just the beginning. Let's move on to the next step. The heart of any personal library lies in the books you choose. It's not just about collecting, it's about curating. Start with books that resonate with your current interests and experiences. These are the reads that will feel like old friends, always ready to offer comfort or inspiration. But don't stop there. Challenge yourself. Add books that push you out of your comfort zone. Maybe it's a genre you've never explored or a book that presents ideas you've never considered. The most rewarding libraries are those that reflect who you are while also encouraging growth and curiosity. Remember, every book you add is a step toward building a library that's uniquely yours. And here at The Essential Reader, we're dedicated to helping you find books that both resonate and inspire. If this resonates with you, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. Let's continue building something truly special together. Once you've started curating your collection, it's time to think about how to organize it. A well-organized library isn't just functional, it's a joy to look at and engage with. There are many ways to arrange your books, and the best method depends on your personal style and needs. You might sort them by genre, author, or even by the emotions they evoke. Or, if you're feeling creative, try organizing by color for a visually striking display. Don't forget to leave space for future editions. Your library should always have room to grow. And if you prefer a more minimalistic approach, keep only the books that truly bring you joy or hold significance. Your library should reflect not only your reading journey, but also your personality and sense of style. At The Essential Reader, we love sharing tips and tricks for creating spaces that inspire. If you're enjoying these insights, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's keep crafting your perfect reading haven. Now that you've curated and organized your personal library, the final step is to make it an active part of your daily life. A library isn't just for display. It's meant to be lived in, explored, and revisited. Create habits that help you connect with your collection. Maybe you start each morning with a book that inspires you or dedicate evenings to diving into a new genre. Your library can also become a space for sharing. Invite friends or family to browse your shelves, recommend books, or even start a book exchange. Sharing your library is a way to spread the joy of reading and deepen connections. And remember, your personal library will evolve as you do. Books will come and go, your tastes will shift, and your collection will grow to reflect each chapter of your life. That's the beauty of it. It's a living, breathing part of who you are. If this journey into building a personal library has inspired you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Essential Reader. Join our community of passionate readers, and let's continue exploring the endless possibilities that books bring into our lives. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.